how to price your Skool community. I've been on the platform for 2 years now, and currently I'm growing this community. I'm at 25k MMR, 8k added, and this person made a free tool, which is very cool, based off Hormozi's model. That's what I'm going to walk through, essentially. So, what is not Hormozi's model, but something that I would recommend. So, what is it? Essentially, you ask your audience 4 questions, and those 4 questions are something along the lines of what would make this unreasonable that you wouldn't pay for it? Like, what would make this cheap? It's all covered here. And you basically just make a survey and you submit it to the audience. And to find this page, you just go to Skool. This needs a link, especially since it's paid for. Okay, I'll add that. Anyway, you go to this link, this weird link, or you can just search Skool add-ons online, and you'll find it right here. And then you can basically just go through this process. And after you send it to your members, they'll basically fill it out. And then based off these 4 questions, you will see this like perfect point. And that is where you should price your community. It's actually pretty simple. You just kind of have to go through this. Okay. I'll link in the bio actually. Bye.